Sydney and Melbourne have some of the best cafe culture in the world. Trouble is, all that smashed avo is making us quite poor.
There we go.
Isn't it? So I've come up with a little innovative way of making sure that we can spread it out a little bit more and all enjoy our smashed avo.
You're going to do the Brisbane version of it, are you?
I'm going to do the Brisbane version, exactly. Now, it starts with good sourdough. Now, I have my grill pan here. The way that we know the grill pan is ready is it will go solid red on the Thermospot here. So I know now that I can stick my lovely bits of sourdough.
So you don't just put your hand on it to see if it's hot?
Not anymore.
Okay, great.
Not anymore. Innovation. This is all about innovation, this.
My hands are thanking you for that.
So what I'm going to get you to do, you have the smashed avo job, okay? So what I want you to do is just chop that avocado.
Yep.
Now, a few things, people do it in different ways. I like to add a little bit of Greek yogurt. I find that just gives it that bit of tartness, and then you've got the bit of the kind of acidity from the lemon as well. So I'll get you cracking on that. While you're doing that, what I will do is just slice a few bits of halloumi.
I like that.
So what we want to do is have a nice, well-oiled pan, some good extra virgin olive oil, just there. I'll put a little bit on my toast as well, just there. Now, of course, Adrian, you could have bacon if you wanted to, but
Sausages.
we're doing kind of my Sydney version. Maybe your Melbourne version has that. So what we're going to do is just let that heat up a little bit. And I'm just going to put them right on the vine. Gorgeous, fresh, seasonal tomatoes.
I love that.
Bosh. On we go like that.
Bosh.
Bosh.
Is that what you say?
Bosh. Well,
like that.
it kind of came out my mouth.
There we go.
And then what we do is we just plop that halloumi on there. Plop bosh. We're just saying it all, aren't we? And we want to just let the halloumi go nice and golden. It only really needs about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, but you want to just keep your eye on it. So we just want to make sure that those tomatoes become nice and soft, a little bit easier to eat. And with this one, add a bit of chili flakes, a bit of Greek yogurt, got some nice amount of salt.
Oh, I put that in already.
Oh,
so
did
we've got double salt, that's all right.
That's okay.
I'm happy with that, but I just
if
put
you've
a
had
little...
a few drinks, a little bit of extra salt and that lemon might actually even out your electrolytes anyway, so that's okay. So some black pepper there as well.
A little twist of that on there.
Wonderful, that's it. And then, yeah, a little bit of lemon and we're good to go with our smashed avo. Just check on our toast. Oh, those lovely grill pan marks is why we want to do it always this way. So what we're going to do is just wait for this to go a little bit golden. We're going to flip it over, make sure the other side of our toast is done, get that done, bring it all together. Oh, that's nearly done. And with a good non-stick pan, it's pretty much just, you can invest in that, you're going to be fine for so many jobs in the kitchen. So just as that is cooking for a little while longer, got that lovely toast.
Hang on a second, Rosie. This was supposed to be a salad, wasn't it?
It is a salad.
OK, I'm just...
You wait to see. Okay. So you just spread some of that lovely, it's almost like a guacamole now, just onto there. Straight onto the board here with my beautiful halloumi. So what we're going to do is turn it into little bite-sized pieces. So while I'm doing that, bit of spinach and rockets, so some nice bitter greens as well. Going to get those digestive enzymes going. But have a little base there and mix that, the rocket and the spinach there.
Gotcha.
Now, not only do adults like this, kids will love this as well. Anything bite-size. And if you are a bit hungover, sometimes bite-size looks a bit more appealing, doesn't it, when a big breakfast lands in front of you? No, I want more greenery than that, Richo. Of course I do. I'm a nutritionist. Add more.
Is that enough for you?
Absolutely perfect.
OK, there we go. A little bit more.
So what I want you to do now is just scatter these gorgeous little bite-sized pieces.
OK.
While I just cut, again, halloumi.
I'll make sure I might eat one of these little things. Nice crusty bread, nice little lines on it, and the avocado is fantastic. Nice
That's
enough.
it.
And lemony and...
So we've got the halloumi there as well. We've got some beautiful tomatoes on the vine. So just scatter it around. It's starting to look a little like that beautiful favourite breakfast that everyone likes. But we've added a little bit more nutrition and we've just turned it on its head a little bit. So
now, I've got some chilli over here. Want me to sprinkle some of that
tomatoes in there? Yes, please.
There we go.
Now you can put whatever you want on there. A bit of extra lemon.
There we go. I like
some
that.
chilli. So we're really going to start our day with our metabolism high, firing, some good protein, some good fats. Yes, add some more good fats on there.
Now I know what you mean. You turned a perfectly good breakfast dish into a salad, and I think it really works. It looks great.
Well, I think if you're all trying to save up for that first house, that could feed 4 people, and you've saved quite a bit of money, haven't you? So let's have a good tuck in there.
Piece of bread and a piece of halloumi. That is a big piece of breakfast.
Good job with the smashed avo. That lemon, that little bit of Greek yogurt just tartans it up.
I love the chili, it works really well. Lovely flavour to it. It's a really tasty salad. You brought it together at the end. And you know what? You have made friends with your salad.
I have indeed. Salad is interesting. You've just got to think a bit differently.